Welcome back to my YouTube channel here in the Florida Keys as I give glimpses into some beautiful homes here in Marathon, Florida. So today I am at 9300 Overseas Highway and it's a pool day. So I'm going to take you on an awesome pool tour and I cannot wait to show you all that this incredible pool has to offer. So first I wanted to show you this beautiful guest ensuite room. So here we are in one of the 3 guest ensuite rooms, and as you can see, it's quite a spectacular view. Each of the 3 guest ensuites have their own private balcony that leads into the pool. It's so special and so unique. So come this way and I'll show you. Take these steps down. And we're ready for our pool day. I'm going to take you to the outdoor kitchen, which is over this way. The cabana bathroom of your dreams. Here we are at the outdoor kitchen. So to my right we have the bait shack, which I will give you a tour of on another day. That's quite a special feature of the property as well. But for today, I'm going to be showing you all about the pool and the outdoor dining al fresco and the beautiful features that we have. Here we have an incredible swim-up bar to give refreshing tropical drinks to all your guests as they float through the pool. Great boating access. You have your own private boat ramp here and plenty of dockage. And now our floating pool tour. floating pool tour. Thank you so much for floating through this incredible pool with me. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes tours of this incredible property or other properties here in the Florida Keys, please hit subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.